Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is it's a champion of riding motorbike in corners. It's somebody gonna make people happy and introducing bike in Africa. It's a champion. It's champion. Kanigire ku ruhande. That is the third champion. Somebody gonna show people how can riding motorbike any corners. Beyond of more people. You see how easy, how doing. More people on one bike. You see how this fucking man and a gentleman keeping people happy and riding a bike in the corners. Ladies and gentlemen, everywhere you are worldwide, you can get this fucking champion. This is a bullshit. That is bullshit. One and only. 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 One and only in Africa. One and only in Africa. In African worldwide. Can riding a bike. Struggling in the corners. He's gonna put another money on the game. He's a rich man. He's gonna put money on the game.